This one is another super easy one, and it was actually John's idea. He said, honey, why don't you do a mashed potato ball, you know, like disco fries with gravy. Don't make it too thick or you will not get a gravy ooze. We're gonna bury that gravy inside a mashed potato ball.
Do you want to pour it in here?
So, let me move this so they can see, honey.
Okay.
Look, you need one of these funny little 1-inch square cubes for your ice. We're gonna turn gravy into frozen gravy so that we can nest it in the balls. Now this gravy, all we did was take flour and butter in about equal amounts. I added a shot of white wine, this guy, and my beef stock. Salt, pepper, lots of black pepper. I use coarse black pepper in these, so you really get a great flavor in the gravy itself. And it's just store-bought beef stock or beef broth. For the mashed potatoes, these guys here, 1 potato per person per portion the night you want to serve them. Add milk, butter, of course, and grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So it's cheesy garlic mashed potatoes. So you take your gravy. Honey, you want to roll them out.
So you froze the gravy.
Basically, we froze the gravy. Right. My hands are covered with mashed potatoes. I need you to do this part.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Flour, egg, breadcrumb. Now you got it. So down here, we have our oil hot to 350 degrees. You very gently add these into the oil. There we go. And don't crowd. Don't crowd the basket. And when we come back, I'm gonna take a quick break. When we come back, we're gonna break them open. I'll show you the gravy. The next ball, and our 7th ball, is a 2-parter. We're gonna make the balls first, and then we're going to make the gravy that goes with it. This one was a request of my friend Gianna and Nino. She said, I would love, as if asking as her only Christmas present, a chicken cordon bleu meatball. So, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grind it up like I make our deviled ham. Oh. And I'm gonna add our kind of devilish ham base to ground chicken, 1 package of ground chicken to make about 30 large cordon bleu meatballs. And then we're gonna stuff Comté, Swiss, or Gruyere. We're going to stuff a cube of cheese in the center. So this will get nice and gooey and yummy on the inside. And it'll be wrapped in chicken and ham that's mixed very evenly together. So in here, I have ham and a large shallot. We're gonna add a little garlic, a little parsley, and some fresh thyme. Keep zapping this until it's very, very finely ground. It almost looks like breadcrumbs, but it's ham. Do you know what I mean?
Ham crumbs.
It's ham crumbs, exactly. So we're gonna put our ham crumbs in the bowl. We're gonna add some moist breadcrumbs, douse a little milk on them. Then we're gonna add a couple of egg yolks. You don't want them to be too wet. And a little hint of nutmeg. Salt and pepper all the way down the line, flour, egg, breadcrumb with a little more parsley in it. And then we're gonna nest one of these guys inside of those guys. Okay, so take these little cubed balls. Okay. You can use this scoop, but your hands are dirty. But you can use this, guys, if you wanna do evenly rolled and you don't love rolling meatballs. And you bury it inside that. Good job, sweetie. You actually did a really good job.
I'm breading a chicken ball.
So down here, just like I said before, whether it's a Dutch oven or a tabletop fryer, make sure you have a couple of inches deep of oil. Get that oil hot to 350 minimum. Fry them in small batches. When we come back, we're gonna make the gravy for the chicken cordon bleu meatballs. Before our disco balls get too cold, I just want to show you, we'll bust this guy open. Look, see the gravy just fell out of there?
Wow.
It's like a little gravy bomb in the center of your garlic mashed potatoes. Look at that, it's crazy.
That's some magical gravy right there.
Yeah, that's some crazy balls.
Crazy gravy.
Okay. So these are the chicken cordon bleu balls, and they have the ground ham all through them, and see how the cheese gets all melty? See the Swiss cheese in there? John's got a plain white gravy, chicken broth or stock and white wine. That's all we did is thicken it with a little roux. We're going to add a splash of cream. Whisk, 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 honey. Whisk, whisk, whisk. We're going to stir in a little Dijon, a little fresh tarragon. Lovely. A little bit of lemon juice. And then you take the hot, creamy tarragon Dijon gravy and put it alongside.